Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about Hunts-Dicker reaction and mechanism. Hunts-Dicker reaction is also called as Borodin reaction. This is the one of the naming reaction in organic chemistry. In 1861, the scientist Alexander Borodin initially observed the reaction when he prepared methyl bromide, that is alkyl halide, from reactant of silver acetate by loss of carbon dioxide. So this is what he observed in Hunts-Dicker reaction. Here I wish to show that the Russian scientist image. He is the Alexander Borodin who observed this reaction. As I told earlier, this reaction also called as Hunts-Dicker Borodin reaction. This reaction is an example of both decarboxylation and halogenation reaction, which means these both are held in same reaction. And we enter into the definition of Hunts-Dicker reaction is silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with bromine, gives bromo compound, that is alkyl halide, by elimination of carbon dioxide. This is the very simplest definition for Hunts-Dicker reactions, which means silver salt of carboxylic acid reacted with one halogen to form an unstable intermediate which further undergoes decarboxylation thermally, leading to formation of alkyl halide as a final product. This is the general mechanism of reactant. This is the general reaction of Hunts-Dicker reaction, but this reaction is carried out in presence of carbon tetrachloride. Now we entered into the important part of this video, that is mechanism of this reaction. This mechanism is very simple and include 4 steps. These are formation of acyl hypobromite, homolysis of acyl hypobromite, formation of alkyl or aryl radical, formation of alkyl bromide or aryl radical. Let me see the mechanism briefly. This is the mechanism slide. In first step, the reaction between silver salt of carboxylic acid and bromine reacts, then formation of acyl hypobromite with side product of AgBr, that is that Br is reacting with silver salt of carboxylic acid and the Br is placed in the place of Ag. This formation of acyl hypobromite is held. In second step, homolysis undergoes. Homolysis means we all know about, that is a cleavage. So this acyl hypobromite undergo cleavage as Br as one cleave and RC double bond O radical is another. And we enter into the third step. After undergo homolysis, there is a formation of alkyl or aryl radical by elimination of carbon dioxide. So we see this CO2 is eliminated, then R radical is only formed as a major product. That in fourth step, that R radical is reacted with bromide compound. There is then the formation of alkyl bromide or else aryl bromides, which means R may be alkyl or aryl in this mechanism. So finally we got alkyl halide as a major product. This is the steps involved in this Hunts-Dicker reaction. Very simple reaction. I hope you understand the mechanism of the Hunts-Dicker reaction. Now I just want to summarize the mechanism once again. Please cooperate with me. In first step, there is one formation of acyl hypobromite, which means this bromine is substituted in the place of Ag. Then there is a formation of acyl hypobromite is done. In second step, there is undergo a homolysis, that acyl hypobromite undergo homolysis, so that cleaved as Br one compound and RC double bond O as another compound. At the third step, there is one formation of radical by elimination of carbon dioxide. In fourth step, that radical is reacted with bromine compound. There is formation of alkyl halide. So these are the mechanism steps involved in Hunts-Dicker reaction or Hunts-Dicker Borodin reaction. And there is in some of modifications in Hunts-Dicker reaction. that is the carboxylic acid can be converted into the organic halides by reaction with bromine in presence of mercuric acid. Why this modification is needed by me? In Hunts-Dicker reaction, mainly it requires use of pure dry silver salt, which is often difficult to prepare. So that's why there is done modification in Hunts-Dicker reaction. In the place of silver, they use mercuric oxide. So this modification is called as Christoph-Frith modification of Hunts-Dicker reaction. It's very famous, which means very simple. In the place of silver salt, they used mercuric oxide. And in case of and in Hunts-Dicker reaction, I used to say bromine. So in this case, they used iodine. So iodine is used with twofold excess of acid salt. This reaction is known as Simonini reaction, and the product is an ester, which means very simple. In Hunts-Dicker reaction, they use bromine as a halide. Here they use iodine as a halide, but the product is differ from the Hunts-Dicker reaction. The Hunts-Dicker reaction product is alkyl halide. Here is an ester as a major product in Simonini reaction. This is the reactions. First reaction is a Christoph-Frith modification. So as I told earlier, instead of silver, they used mercuric oxide, but all are same bromine, same carbon tetrachloride, same thermal condition, same product. So this is the Simonini reaction. So as I told earlier, in place of bromine, they use iodine. So the product is an ester. But here the composition is very important. They used 2:1 of reactant, then only the ester product is formed. And we discussed some examples of related to Hunts-Dicker reaction, and that is the modification of Christoph-Frith modification. So the first example is same, the product of in presence of mercuric oxide. So we come to concluded that it is a Christoph-Frith modification of Hunts-Dicker reaction. The product is same, very simple. In the place of acid group, we substituted one bromine. By elimination of carbon dioxide, we got a product. In same as in the second example, in place of carbon acid group, we substituted one bromine group in place of acid, we got a product. We saw third example. Here we have to notice the group. Here we have ester group as well as acid group present in the reactant, but we have conscious about that. As I told earlier, the acid group only replaced by Br with elimination of carbon dioxide. Here we used to substitute bromine in place of acid group place itself only, not in ester place. So this only the right product. Enter into the fourth example. Likewise same, there is an acid group as well as ester group. We used to place bromine in the place of acid only, not in ester place, but we use KOH, Br2 and mercuric oxide. We used in bromine in the place of ester because this is the Simonini reaction. So we have to know all these modification of Hunts-Dicker reaction, then only we able to handle or calculate the problems related to Hunts-Dicker reaction in CSIR and NET examination without any difficulties. Thanks for